Happy Saturday. I'm Adam Tilted, and today I just want to talk a minute about some cool planet sightings that are coming up. The planets have been not visible in the night sky because they've been too close to the sun, but they're starting to come back. And tonight, actually tomorrow morning, pre-dawn, you will see Mars and Jupiter come into the sky. And if you watch it a couple of days, we'll see something neat. So let me go over there. Okay, so this is looking to the east tomorrow morning at about 5 a.m. And you can see Jupiter and Mars are up there. Now you'll also see Spica. Spica is a very bright star. It's in the constellation Virgo. So if you're having trouble finding Mars, look for Spica. If you draw a line between Spica and Jupiter, Mars is about a third of the way. It will look like a reddish spot. And Jupiter should be very bright if you have good viewing conditions. As I move time ahead here, we'll see that just before sunrise, we get to see Venus. Okay, so there's Venus. Let me move this out of the way. There's Venus. And this is, of course, looking in the east. And Venus is pretty bright, so you will still be able to see it for a little while, even after the sun comes up. I'm trying to speed up time, but it's not working. There we go. Alright, so there's the sun. You'll still be able to see Venus. But what I wanted to draw your attention to was Jupiter and Mars. So let's bring them back on the scene. There's Jupiter and Mars. This is tomorrow morning. So I want to see what's happening the morning after that. Same time. Okay. I'm going to keep moving day by day by day by day. Jupiter is climbing. Mars seems to be kind of staying where it is. Let's move this down a little bit. And then look at this. On January 5th at 5:20 in the morning, we'll have this alignment between Mars, Jupiter, and this star, which is called Zubidubit. I've got to show you this name of the star. Can you see that above my head? Zubenelgenubi. Okay, so I've got until January 5th to learn how to say Zubenelgenubi, right? But that will be an interesting alignment. It should look very pretty in the sky with bright Jupiter, Mars nearby. And let's see what Venus is doing at this time. Antares will be up, so that'll be interesting. We'll move time forward. Mercury will be visible. That's fun. Ooh, Saturn. Saturn is coming back. That'll be fun. And I don't see Venus. Venus must be, oops, must be like behind the sun or something. So, lots to look forward to in the coming months. So if you are up tomorrow morning, over the next, after, actually, if you're up before dawn, over the next several days, take a look at the eastern sky and see if you can find Jupiter and Mars and Venus just before the sun comes up. And then you'll also know that that bright star that's near those is called Spica. Spica. And it's part of the constellation Virgo. I'll talk more about that later, because remember, I really want you to know the name of these stars. All right, so I am going to be starting the winter constellation series for Orbit at a Tilt this week. Tried to start it before. Some of you might have seen it, but we had some technical difficulties, so I'm just going to do it over. But this is my favorite time of year to look at constellations. And I want to make sure that you know how to find some of the more popular constellations because they are easy to see and also because they have interesting mythologies behind them. So be on the lookout for that. Hop on over to the Orbit at a Tilt page and give it a like and a follow so you get those notifications of when I'm going live. All right, I hope you have a wonderful Saturday, and I will talk to you soon. In the meantime, don't forget to look up.